Welcome to another lecture in Autocad. Myself Unnikrishnan. Today we are going to see certain set of modify commands. That is, you have some drawings and you would like to modify them. So the basic modification commands all starts from this toolbox here, and as you can see it is already texted with modify. So move, copy, stretch, rotate, mirror, scale, trim, fillet, array, all these are modify commands. And as you can see, erase is also a modify command. Okay, this is yet another modify command, that is offset, and you have a whole bunch of other modify commands available. I'll not be going thoroughly entirely through all these commands, but which are very essential and necessary, I'll definitely go about with that. So let us start with the move command. Suppose I do have a drawing, say for example, let me draw a polygon. Let me start drawing a hexagon and that too here. Now I would like to move this polygon inside my drawing space, that is the template. So how can I do it? The command is move. You can type move or you can click on this button. Both will evoke the same command. Now as you can see, it is asking for select the objects. So I'll select my object that I would like to move. Now it doesn't stop there. I can keep on selecting multiple objects. If I would like to select some other thing also, I can do that. So the select object will not stop when you select one object alone. It keeps on selecting, and you can keep on selecting until all the entities that you wish to select are selected. And the old method of square, box and fence method, that also works very well with this move command. Once I have selected all the entities, I press enter. Now it is asking for the base point. It is very important for one to select the base point or choose the base point properly. Now let me choose this vertex point here as the base point. If I select that, as you can see, when I move my cursor, it follows with that point on my cursor. So effectively it is the reference point, based on that it is moving. So once I move it, I click on my drawing sheet and that's it. It's done and it is moved. So that is about move option. I'm just undoing it so that I can show you a next command which is quite similar to move, and that is called copy, and the one which makes drawing with AutoCAD much easier than your regular pencil and paper. Say for example, you want to draw the bolt head, which is say 100 bolt heads are there for a particular machinery. I don't know how in olden days people used to do it, because you need to make 100 of those nut or bolt heads manually. So now that you have AutoCAD, it becomes quite easy. All that I have to do is type the command copy, and again, just like the move command, I just have to select the entity. I can either pick it or use the box method or the fence method or whatever it is. Select all the entities that you would like to copy, then press enter. Now as you can see, again it is asking specify the base point. So here again, let me select this point here. Now you can see here, when I move my cursor, that is the base point which it has picked up. Now click once, it is not over. Click twice, it's not over. Thrice, not over. 4 times. You can make n number of copies just by click. So basically it becomes quite easy for one to understand how you can use the copy command, and that too when certain things are repeatedly used for drawing. So this is one easier way to repeat a drawing when it is not in a pattern also. I have drawn here in a pattern, but if it is not in a pattern also, then also you can use the copy button. As you can see here, I am using the copy button and I am just clicking on the space which is available there, so that it makes multiple copies, and it keeps on making copies until I press either exit or the escape. If I press escape, it comes out of the command, and that is the easiest way to come out of this command. Now let us show to you the rotate. So let me make a triangle here like this. Now I want to rotate this entire body, so the command is rotate. Again, here also the entities work the same way, and select objects. I have to select all the objects until I drop my selection. So all these entities are now selected. If by mistake you have selected some entity that you do not want, then press the shift and then select it again, it goes off. So that's it. Now press enter. Now it is asking for a base point. Now let me select this as the base point here. Okay, see, as you can see here, it is rotating with that as the rotation base point. It is very essential that if you pick the wrong base point, you may end up with a wrong answer, and it will result in a different rotation altogether. So it is better that you select the right rotation base point. And now it is pretty much simple. I can define the angle, whichever angle that I would like to, say 90 degrees, and that's it. It turned 90 degrees from whatever the initial location was. That's it about the rotate command. That's it about simple move, copy and rotate command. We'll go with the next set of commands in the next video. Thank you.